Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how to customize your main booking form. At the top, you can write a welcome message. This is the first thing clients see on your booking page, so it's a great place for instructions or a friendly greeting. Below that is the custom questions editor. This is where you build your form. You can add as many questions as you need by clicking the Add Question button. For each question, you can set the label, choose a field type, like a text input, an email address, a drop-down menu, or a checkbox, and mark it as required. You can also add placeholder text to guide your clients. For advanced users, you can even add custom validation using regular expressions. This comes in handy if you expect a specific custom value in a specific section. For example, if you have a phone repair shop and you need your clients to put in their serial numbers, you can use a custom regex, and this field will be validated before your clients can book an appointment with you. Make sure you test the custom regex and see if it works properly before you share the booking form to your clients. You can also reorder the questions at any time by simply dragging and dropping them into place. Once you save your changes, your public booking link is instantly updated with the new form. It is important to note that you need to have an email or phone number field as one of the questions if you want the clients to receive notifications or if you want them to be added to your contact list. When you write down a phone number as one of the questions, make sure you select phone number as the input option. Same goes for email address. If you use an email address as the question, make sure you select email address as the input.